Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a topic that might make you rethink everything you thought you knew about vegetables. We're talking about the slimy superhero of the produce aisle, okra. But hold up, we're not just going to chat about how to fry it up Southern style. Nope. We're going to unlock the secret power of okra in its liquid form, okra water. Now, I know what you're thinking, okra water. Is this some kind of vegetable sorcery? Well, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind with the incredible health benefits and surprisingly delicious taste of this often overlooked elixir. Whether you're on a quest for better digestion, a metabolism boost, or just looking to shake up your daily hydration routine, okra water might just be your new favorite go-to potion. So grab your cutting board and get ready to embark on a journey to veggie enlightenment. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you. How to make okra water. Alright, folks. Let's get down to business and whip up some okra water magic. Trust me, it's easier than you might think. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. Fresh okra, about 4-5 pods. Water. Step 1. Gather your okra. First things first, wash your okra thoroughly under cool running water. You want to make sure it's nice and clean before we start slicing and dicing. Step 2. Slice and dice. Grab a sharp knife and carefully trim off the tops and bottoms of each okra pod. Then, slice them into thin rounds, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. The more surface area, the better. Step 3. Soak overnight. Now, here's where the magic happens. Take your sliced okra rounds and drop them into a glass or pitcher filled with water. Make sure the water covers the okra completely. Pop a lid or cover on top and let it sit overnight, preferably in the fridge. Step 4. Time to strain. The next morning, or whenever you're ready to enjoy your okra water, grab a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth and strain out the okra slices. You'll be left with a refreshing, slightly viscous liquid that's packed with all the goodness of the okra. Step 5. Drink up. Pour yourself a glass of that glorious green elixir and take a sip. Ah, refreshing, right? Feel free to add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of honey if you want to jazz it up, but it's just as tasty on its own. Step 6. Optional, save the okra. Don't toss out those okra slices just yet. Some folks like to blend them up into a smoothie or incorporate them into recipes for an extra nutritional boost. Waste not, want not. And there you have it, folks, your very own batch of homemade okra water. Cheers to your health. Health benefits of okra water. Alright, buckle up. Because we're about to explore the superhero powers of okra water. This humble vegetable might just be the unsung hero your body has been craving. Here are some of the amazing health benefits. Rich in nutrients. Okra is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients play vital roles in supporting overall health, from boosting immunity to promoting bone strength. High in fiber. One of the standout features of okra is its impressive fiber content. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, helping to keep things moving smoothly and preventing constipation. Plus, it can help you feel fuller for longer, which may aid in weight management. Supports digestive health. Speaking of digestion, okra water is like a gentle, soothing balm for your digestive system. The mucilage found in okra acts as a natural demulcent, coating the digestive tract and providing relief from irritation. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions like gastritis or acid reflux. Aids in blood sugar control. For those managing diabetes or trying to stabilize blood sugar levels, okra water might be a game changer. Some studies suggest that okra may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose absorption, making it a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Promotes heart health. With its combination of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, okra water is a heart-healthy elixir. It can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood pressure, all of which are important factors in maintaining cardiovascular wellness. Hydration boost. Let's not forget the most basic yet crucial benefit of okra water, Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential for countless bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to supporting cognitive function. Okra water adds a refreshing twist to your hydration routine while delivering a dose of nourishing nutrients. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. Okra contains various compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as flavonoids and polyphenols. Consuming okra water regularly may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to a wide range of chronic health conditions. There you have it, folks, just a taste of the myriad health benefits that okra water brings to the table. So why wait? Pour yourself a glass and drink to your health. Tips and variations for okra water. Alright, folks, now that you're armed with the knowledge of the incredible health benefits of okra water, let's talk about how to take your okra game to the next level. Here are some tips and variations to consider. Flavor boosters. While okra water has a subtle, earthy flavor on its own, there's no harm in jazzing it up a bit. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice for a citrusy kick, or throw in a few slices of ginger for a spicy twist. You can also experiment with herbs like mint or basil for a refreshing infusion. Chill out. There's nothing quite like a cold glass of okra water on a hot day. After straining out the okra slices, pop your pitcher in the fridge to chill for a few hours. Trust me, it's the ultimate thirst quencher. Blend it up. If you're not a fan of the texture of okra water, fear not, you can still reap the benefits. Simply toss the soaked okra slices into a blender along with your favorite fruits and veggies for a nutritious smoothie. The okra adds a subtle thickness and creaminess without overpowering the other flavors. Mix and match. Don't limit yourself to just plain okra water, get creative with your ingredients. Mix in other hydrating fruits like cucumber or watermelon for a refreshing summer concoction. You can also experiment with different types of tea or coconut water for added flavor and nutrients. Spice it up. For those who like a little heat, consider adding a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce to your okra water. Not only does it add a spicy kick, but it can also help boost metabolism and promote detoxification. Sweeten the deal. If you have a sweet tooth, don't be afraid to add a touch of sweetness to your okra water. A drizzle of honey or a splash of maple syrup can transform it into a deliciously satisfying treat. They say we eat with our eyes first, so why not make your okra water look as good as it tastes? Serve it up in a fancy glass with a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint for a touch of elegance. There you have it, folks. A plethora of tips and variations to elevate your okra water game. So go ahead, get adventurous, and cheers to your health. Potential side effects and precautions. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of okra water, let's talk about some important things to keep in mind. While okra water offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions. Allergic reactions. For individuals with known allergies to okra or related plants, such as cotton or hibiscus, consuming okra water could trigger allergic reactions. Symptoms may include itching, swelling, hives, or even more severe reactions like anaphylaxis. If you have a history of food allergies, it's crucial to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before trying okra water. Blood sugar regulation. While okra water may help stabilize blood sugar levels for many individuals, those with diabetes should monitor their blood glucose closely when incorporating it into their diet. Okra water could potentially interact with diabetes medications or insulin, leading to fluctuations in blood sugar levels. It's essential to work closely with a healthcare provider to adjust medication doses as needed. Gastrointestinal effects. Okra is rich in fiber, which can have both positive and negative effects on digestive health. While the mucilage in okra water can help soothe the digestive tract, consuming too much fiber too quickly may cause gastrointestinal discomfort, bloating, or gas, especially for individuals not accustomed to high-fiber diets. Start with small servings of okra water and gradually increase intake to assess tolerance. Oxalate content. Okra contains oxalates, compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones or are at risk for developing them, it's advisable to moderate your intake of foods high in oxalates, including okra. Drinking plenty of water and balancing oxalate-rich foods with calcium-rich foods may help mitigate this risk. Medication interactions. As with any dietary supplement, okra water has the potential to interact with certain medications. If you're taking medications for blood sugar regulation, blood pressure management, or any other health condition, consult with your healthcare provider before adding okra water to your routine. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual health needs and medication regimen. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals should exercise caution when trying new foods or supplements, including okra water. While okra is generally considered safe for consumption during pregnancy and lactation, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes to ensure the safety of both mom and baby. Remember, everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to listen to your body, start slowly, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions about incorporating okra water into your diet. And there you have it, folks, the lowdown on the amazing benefits of okra water. But our journey doesn't end here. It's time to take action and incorporate this powerhouse elixir into your daily routine. Try it out. First things first, give okra water a try. Whether you're sipping it solo, blending it into smoothies, or experimenting with flavor combinations, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the slimy goodness and toast to your health with every sip. Share your experience. We want to hear from you. If you've already tried okra water or plan to give it a shot after watching this video, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Share your favorite recipes, tips, and success stories with the community. Together, we can inspire and support each other on our wellness journeys. Spread the word. Don't keep the secret of okra water to yourself, spread the word. Share this video with your friends, family, and followers on social media. You never know who might benefit from learning about this nutrient-packed beverage. Let's spread health and happiness one glass of okra water at a time. Stay curious. Finally, stay curious and keep exploring the world of health and wellness. There's always something new to discover, whether it's a trendy superfood, a groundbreaking study, or a simple lifestyle hack. Keep an open mind, ask questions, and never stop seeking knowledge that empowers you to live your best life. So what are you waiting for? Let's raise a glass to health, happiness, and the incredible journey ahead. Cheers!